What we're gonna do today is we're gonna prep some chicken for smoked chicken, barbecue chicken. You can pick up some leg and thigh quarters. It's a cheap, good way to feed a lot of people. Basically, when you get them, they come with a lot of fat on them. I normally like to take mine and trim the fat off. And a lot of people, there's a lot of product out there, seasonal, Montreal steak seasoning, you name it. This is a rub seasoning that we use here at Delvin's. I make it myself. Anyway, you take a little bit of that and you season it on your meat. A lot of people season meat in different ways. I like just put just a small coating of meat on my product. And the reason being, if you put a whole lot, then when you put it on your grill, versus it setting in, you can pretty much kind of burn it. So just do both sides of it. Once you can kind of rub it in a little bit. Let's get all the pieces seasoning up. The same way with ribs, pork butts. Okay. Now, got everything nice, good, and seasoned. Next step is take these and put them on the pit. This is coals and wood, And as the coals get ash white, I put my wood over the top. That way you don't have to come out and babysit it. You know, you can let it, you get you a nice good char. You see that nice good char, that flavor profile I was talking about on that chicken?